This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Julia Shea. Located in sought-after Ghent, this charming home boasts a spacious floor plan and many updates throughout. The open and welcoming living room features hardwood floors and large windows that fill the room with natural light. The updated kitchen includes granite counters, stainless steel appliances, a center island, and great cabinet space. There's plenty of room for dining in the eat-in kitchen or in the adjacent dining room. Vaulted ceilings add tremendous scale to the primary bedroom, which includes a walk-in closet and an attached bathroom with a tiled walk-in shower. 2 additional bedrooms with new carpet and a hall-full bath complete the second level. The fenced-in backyard has great potential for a large deck, and storage is a cinch with the attached garage and attic space. Just blocks from all the shops and restaurants on Colley Avenue and just minutes from downtown, you'll enjoy the features and conveniences this home has to offer. Owner/agent. For more information, review the details below or contact Julia Shea at 757-971-6221.